Hi, I'm Don from Don Does Stuff. So this is the Hoover Power XL Pet Plus Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It works really well, no question about it. And of course they recommend their own Hoover carpet cleaner, and they have various versions of this, but they're all remarkably expensive. So I have my own recipe that I've used, and let's see how it works in this scrubber. So the recipe that I use is mostly simply white vinegar, a dab of Dawn or any other kind of dishwashing detergent. You just don't want too much sudsing action. That's the key thing. But this kind of a dish detergent will extract the dirt, loosen it up. And finally, some OxiClean. Just a little bit of that will help to bring out the dirt and brighten things up. Start with maybe about a teaspoon of the OxiClean. Pour it into the bottle first because it's a powder. And then just a dab, maybe a squirt, there we go, of the Dawn dish detergent. And then fill the rest of this cleanser thing with simple white vinegar. And just fill it right up to the top, or close enough. Put your lid on there, and again, make sure that that's nice and tight and straight so that it doesn't leak when you flip it upside down. Just a gentle agitation to get that OxiClean dissolved in there. You don't want to get this thing too sudsy. Put it back into the machine, and we do our cleaning as usual. So I've just done part of this. I haven't even done the extraction part yet. I've just sprayed and done a little bit of cleaning. You can see that the dirty water compartment is already full of very coffee colored filth down there. So it's actually working very, very well. And this is just the vinegar and OxiClean and Dawn detergent. So yeah, simple ingredients, fraction of the cost of the brand name cleaner, and it's working well. No evidence of any sort of residue or frothing or anything like that on the carpet. And of course, I'm going to rinse it like I would normally. And yeah, it'll be great.